Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can sign up to Zoosk. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything, and if you have any problem or any query, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now let's just get started and just follow me guys. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your web browser and just type Zoosk. Then you'll be over here, so just go with the first link over here which says Zoosk online dating site and app to find a perfect match. Just go with the link and then you'll be redirected to Zoosk website. So over here, this is a platform where you can sign up. So you can sign up with your Facebook, or you can sign up with your Google, or you can just randomly sign up over here. So what you have to do is just choose your gender. You are male or female or woman or man, and then interested in what? You are interested in woman, you are interested in man, or both, and have your birthday, like day, month and year. And then what you have to do is just have a proper email, let's say a valid one, and then create a password. Use a strong one so no one can access to it, and then just take it and just sign up with it. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.